coaster parts. Hello everyone, as you can see this is going to be a slightly different type of video from the usual fare, but I got some cool stuff coming in that I figured people on the channel would like to see, so here we are. We're going to do an unboxing video of some of the parts that I just bought from S&S Worldwide. Now if you don't know anything about S&S Worldwide, S&S is the company that bought out the assets of the now defunct Aerodynamics. This happened in the early 2000s, so it's been about 20 years, but recently on their website they started doing a merch sale. This merch sale involved the sale of some old drawings and diagrams as well as old wheels from Aero coasters, so I, being the massive Aero nerd that I am, had to immediately go and buy a bunch of these parts. So that's what we're going to do today. We have a wheel and we have a drawing, and we're going to unbox them live on video. Let's go. Okay, so here goes nothing. We'll start with the wheel. Okay, wait. Shipped all the way from Logan, Utah to my humble apartment in Philadelphia by FedEx, who surprisingly didn't lose the package, so let's see. The box is surprisingly heavy, by the way. I was really surprised by the weight of it. When I picked it up, I couldn't believe how heavy it was. All right, here we go. So let's open things up. Wow, that is bigger than I thought it was. Jesus Christ. Oh, here's what I bought. It's an Aero. It's a wheel from an Aero roller coaster. I believe this is the 9-inch wheel. This is the wheel that they use on their loopers. I believe so. It's not actually listed on their website, but I just did some research and I looked into it online just to see which wheels were on which trains, and this seems to be the main guide wheel for loopers. It was refurbished, so as you can see, the actual guide part of the wheel, all this stuff looks pretty much brand new, because I think it is. Maclaw, May 24th, 2000? I can't really tell there. It's hard to see exactly what the date is. You can see the Aero stamping. How cool is that? That's so cool. It's got the bearings in the middle, and then this confuses me because I didn't expect these wheels to have air in them, so I don't know what this is supposed to be for. Is it to fill it up with air? Is it put oil? Oh yeah, that's probably it. It's probably to put oil in the bearings here. Obviously I've never worked on a roller coaster, but this thing is awesome. It's huge. So let's flip it around to the back. You see right here. I thought it'd be ribbed on the back too, but I guess these aren't reversible. So yeah, there's the wheel. Cool stuff. Now let's move that out of the way. We can get to our next exciting thing, which is in here. So this is an old engineering diagram of an Aero element, and I think I know what it is based on what was on the website, but I don't know, maybe it'll be a little different. Okay, I'm reaching in on this side and there's literally nothing, so we're gonna try here. Man, this unboxing on video is really stressful. Okay, so the drawing is right in the middle where I can't reach it with my fingers. So we're gonna have to get creative a little bit. I'm just gonna keep. There she is. You see her? You see it? All right. We're in. Now let's see. Ho 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 ho. Oh, look at that. That's so cool. Now, I wasn't sure if this is going to be a printout or the actual original diagram. It's obviously a printout, but this is still really cool. So yeah, this is the Aero double corkscrew, and here's the engineering drawing. I'm an engineer by trade, so I've seen millions of these drawings, but never anything like this, obviously. You got the Arrow logo at the bottom, Clearfield, Utah. Helix section field installation. Scale 1/4 inch to 1 feet, 10/8/87. So 87, I wonder what this is for. Shockwave, maybe? Yeah, maybe Shockwave at Great America. So yeah, we got the field splice here. We got the multiple sections, and all the notes and all the parts called out here. Direction of travel. That's really cool. And you can even see like the old janky ass corkscrew transition is literally like specified in the drawing, which is cool. So we got the notes down here, and the notes say track gauge 42 1/16 plus 3/8 minus 0. If you don't know what that means, that plus 3/8 minus 0 is the tolerance. So, you know, it's impossible to get these sorts of things perfectly straight. So 42 1/16 inches minus 0 plus 3/8. So it can go 3/8 inches a little bit further out than it's supposed to be in spec, but it can't go any shorter than that. So that's what the 0 is. Inside a 5-inch diameter pipe to be maintained at field splice joints. The track sections marked 1 through 7 with arrow indicating direction of travel. Ha, arrow. Each was sectioned at 3,500 pounds. Damn. All field wells should conform to AWS, blah, blah, blah. 7 track ties omitted by factory, 2 track ties omitted by factory. Caution, 5-inch pipe rails must form a smooth, continuous line before the field tiles are installed. Makes sense. And then a cool note about the field cutting of track. So locate the center on each side of column at the point 90 degrees to the 5-inch pipe rail. Project the center line up to each of the 3 track pipes and mark. Then place a straight edge across the 2 5-inch pipes at the marks. Locate the midpoint between the 2 pipes and measure 12 inches forward. Remark all 3 pipes. Then use pipe wraparound to draw a line around each pipe. Burn off the excess pipe. Bevel and grind ends. Install provided weld sleeves and see additional drawing for track welding details. So, and then here's the detail A. This detail is referring right to the edge over here. So trim excess pipes and field for fit up as shown. So I guess, you know, the transition going out of this element, basically. So yeah, you got a microfilm mark down here. So I guess that's microfilmed. Yeah, it's really cool. I mean, I'm gonna hang this thing up. Definitely, because it's awesome. It's really cool kind of seeing like behind the scenes of like how this stuff's being made. And I mean, it just looks awesome too. I gotta leave it out for a while. Obviously, it's kind of gotta lay down like that. And honestly, I have no idea what I'm gonna do with the wheel. I mean, look at this thing. It's huge. It's kind of heavy. So I think I'm just gonna... You hear that thing? Oh my god. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it here for now and figure out later, but that's basically it. Yeah, cool. Yeah, so that's it. Got my new merch. Still don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I'm really happy to have it. This is so cool. Really appeals to the nerdy engineer in me, and thank you for watching.